Your wait is over. Here we are with update 2. Replace heavy textures with summer fabrics. Think about how your wardrobe changes in summer. Your wait is over. Here we are with update 2. Replace those heavy textures with summer fabrics. Think about how your wardrobe changes in summer.
You naturally choose lighter clothes. Breathable fabrics, comfortable materials. Your home should do exactly the same. One of the easiest ways to make your home feel fresh is simply changing textiles. Swap velvet cushions for linen. Replace chunky knitted throws with lightweight cotton blankets. Choose breathable bedding. Add textured neutral cushion covers. Even changing your dining table runner can instantly change the mood of your space. Luxury homes always evolve with the seasons. That's why they never feel outdated. Another designer secret? Layer different textures instead of adding more colors.
A beige linen cushion, a woven cotton throw, a bouquet accent chair, a jute rug. Notice how everything stays within a calm color palette. Yet the room feels rich and interesting. Texture creates luxury, not clutter. Whenever I'm designing a room, I ask myself one simple question. Does this space feel cool enough for summer? If the answer is no, I know the textiles need updating. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful so far, hit that like button. This video helps homeowners discover designer ideas. And if you're passionate about modern home interiors, you'll love it. Luxury design, home styling, and practical decorating tips, subscribe because every week we explore ways to create beautiful homes without unnecessary spending. Now, let's move on to one of the biggest design upgrades anyone can make. Declutter like a designer, not like a minimalist. There's a huge difference. Minimalism says, own less. Designers say, display better. Luxury homes aren't empty, they're intentional. Every object has a purpose. Every decorative piece has breathing room. One mistake I see over and over again is decorating every available surface. Kitchen counters, coffee tables, console tables, shelves, nightstands. Everything becomes crowded. And once everything competes for attention, nothing feels special anymore. Instead, try the rule of 3. Group accessories in odd numbers. For example, a candle, a small stack of books, a ceramic vase. That's it. Another favorite styling technique is varying heights. Combine one tall object, one medium object, and one smaller object. Instantly, your arrangement feels professionally styled. Also, don't decorate every shelf. Negative space is just as important as decorative objects. Think of it this way. Silence makes music beautiful. Empty space makes decor beautiful. When your eyes have room to rest, your home immediately feels more expensive. Now that your room feels lighter and less cluttered, let's talk about something almost nobody notices consciously, but everyone feels subconsciously. And once you change this, your home starts looking like it belongs in a luxury interior magazine. We've only covered 2 more updates, but the next one's coming up. Stay tuned.